Welcome to English Class 8. Today we start with Unit 4 Supplementary Crossing the River, written by Manoj Das. About the author, Manoj Das is an awarded winning Indian author who writes in Odisha and English. In 2000, Manoj Das was awarded with Saraswati Samman. He was awarded Padma Shri in 2001, the fourth highest civilian award in India for his contribution in the field of literature and education. Kendra Sahitya Academic has bestowed its highest award, that is, Sahitya Academic Award Fellowship. His deeper quest led him to mysticism, and he has been an inmate of Sri Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry since 1963. Now let's move on to the session. This story is based on belief and faith in God. The main characters are Mothi, the milkmaid, a poor woman who supplied milk, landlord who lived on the other side of river, and a great Pandit, a scholar. The celebrated Pandit had many disciples and admirers. Among them was the landlord of the area who lived on the other side of the river. The landlord had commissioned a poor milkmaid Mothi to supply a tumbler full of milk to the Pandit every day in the morning. The milkmaid discharged her duty faithfully day after day. She crossed the river by the help of a ferry boat and returned home in the same way after delivering the milk at the Pandit's house. Often the Pandit himself received the milk Mothi respected before him. She did not fail in her duty even if on smoke days it rained heavily. What a great privilege it is to serve a great Pandit, she would tell those toils who would sympathize with her for her continuous toil. The Pandit was an eloquent speaker, means fluent speaker. Whenever he gave a discourse, hundreds of people gathered to listen to him. The milkmaid too made it a point to stand behind the audience. Not that she understood much, but she was sure that the Pandit was speaking about God and truth and similar though and complex matters. How much knowledge the man must be possessing to hold so many people spellbound for us. Only one who is very near to God and truth can command such wisdom. She thought she was happy that she made a humble contribution towards the Pandit, physically well being by regular supplying him with pure milk. Even if the landlord fails to pay me for the milk and my labor, I will not fail in my duty, she resolved. One day the Pandit asked her to deliver the milk at least an hour before sunrise, as he was under a vow for performing a certain ritual, a religious prayer. The milkmaid agreed but came to deliver the milk long after sunrise. When questioned by the Pandit, she said that she could not cross the river without the boatman. The Pandit commented jocularly. Jocularly means funny way, that one could cross even the ocean of life by uttering the name of Lord Vishnu. She thanked the Pandit for passing on the secret to her. Days passed and the period of Pandit's vow came to an end. The Pandit thanked her and asked her to tell the boatman that he was pleased with him for his task. The milkmaid told him that she crossed the river without the boatman's help. She just uttered the name of Vishnu and crossed the river. The Pandit was surprised to hear this. He followed her to know the truth. When he saw the milkmaid paying respect to the river and then crossing it with ease, he almost fainted. While demonstrating the miracle of faith, the story also draws a contrast between scholarship and innocence. It shows the difference between a knowledge of mere theory and the knowledge that works through one's faith in God. So, dear children, always we should have faith and believe in our Lord so that the difficult task also go easily. I hope children you all have understood the lesson. Let's meet in our next session with more interesting topic. Till that, stay peace and stay healthy. Thank you children.